Morning. We're on our way to a boat trip. Girls, how are we feeling? That was not convincing. But yeah, we're on our way to a boat trip in Port Royal. Me and Kenya did this last year when we was here. It was so much fun. So I'm hoping that we can have even more fun this time around. And Kezia and Jamila in particular really enjoy it. So let's go. Alright guys, we are here. We're about to board. We just got to sign a waiver. That's the boat there. But yeah, me and the girls are about to do our fit checks as well.
Hi guys, so I've got this overall from Shein and a black bikini from Shein as well, and that's my fit for today.
Hey guys, so my outfit is my skirt is from Shein, top is from Bershka, bikini Shein, and yeah, accessory Shein too.
Hey guys, this is my fit. I'm representing with the blue today, and everything is from Shein. And the jewelry isn't though, I can't remember where it's from, but yeah. Okay guys, so we just boarded. We're waiting for others to board and then we'll be on the move. But they've got a bar behind me. You know, they're playing music. It's gonna be a vibe. They have an upstairs and a downstairs. We're just gonna go up because down is currently packed. But when the party fully starts and we move off, we're gonna be up downstairs. So yeah. Such a pretty view, guys. Take it in, take it in. So we're about to do Jamila's fit check because we forgot to do hers earlier.
Hey guys, so my skirt is from Zara, the bikini is Shein, jewelry is Shein, and sandals Dior.
Me and Kenya are in the line. Got our cups. We're gonna go get a drink. But yeah, the bar's fully stocked up. They got a lot of things, so yeah. Alright, so we're doing a rum punch. Yeah. Oh, that's when. That's also. Guys, he told me to say when, but I didn't hear him, so he just kept pouring. Guys, Cleo is also on the boat.
Sandy made it to the boat party together, yeah. We got into it. I need to talk about it.
Kate was also getting a rum punch, did you? Rum punch is strong, guys. Last time I was on the boat, it licked my head off. Full joy. But yeah, guys, I got my rum punch. Everyone just down at the bar right now. But once the boat stops at Maiden Cay, we'll all jump off, go in the water, and that's when the party really starts. So yeah, for now I'm drinking. Alright guys, so behind me, I don't know if you can see, but we've just pulled up to Maiden Cay. Essentially, Maiden Cay is just like a spot of sand, if you want to call it that. It's not essentially an island, but it can be classed as one because Kingston doesn't actually have any beaches. So a lot of boat tours and stuff come out here and they do day trips and all of that stuff. So yeah, this boat cruise is all inclusive, food inclusive, drinks inclusive, vibes and music and energy all inclusive. I'm doing free promo at this point, but I had an amazing time last time and I know I'm going to have a good time today as well. So follow them. They do 2 different type of cruises. They do a Sunday boat trip. What we're doing now, that's 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and they also do a Friday night one as well. So yeah guys, that's us and that's them. Loose Cannon Tours. Like I mentioned guys, they do all inclusive food. So I've got a little small plate, patty, pasta and a wonton I think this is. But yeah man, the girls are just eating up right now. It's vibes upstairs, but once we're done eating we're gonna head down.
One loose cannon.
We're just catching our own vibe out here, guys. But we're gonna head down into the water in a bit. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? I'm joking. That's on the big boat ride. We're having a time, as you can see. Hi guys, this is my favorite girls right here. Alright guys, we're going in the water now, so I'm going to film on my iPhone because again, like I said, my camera can't get messed up today. So iPhone settings, if you see a different quality, this is why. Okay guys, I'm filming on my iPhone now. Kizia and me are going in the water. We're in the water. But yeah. I don't do the work. You know I do. So me and Kizzy are in the water. And the girls are over there, if you can see them. Guys, say hi! But yeah man, the water's not that deep, so we're good. But the lifeguards came to save the day, bless them. Look at them. Transporting guests to and from the boat. But yeah man. I'm on the beach with the girls. The boat's over there. This is Maiden Cay. This is the spot of land that they've got. It's not very big, but you can still come up here and chill, hold the vibe. Yeah, we can do. Yeah, we can do. Guys, it's a man out here. I Insta black on the edge. So I'm currently hanging out with me live. Yeah, boss, come get me down. Boss is there. Say hello. Anyway, yeah, get the front towel, please. Alright, we just come up in the water. Inside is a vibe still now. Come and try, guys. Okay, so I'm with the captain of Loose Cannon Tours and he's gonna convince you guys to come on the tour.
As you can see, show them the scenery, show them around. You see everybody enjoying themselves. It's also all inclusive, so you guys can come and enjoy yourself. It's a quite reasonable price. It's $10,000 per person. Come, it's all inclusive. You enjoy yourself, food, drinks, fun, everything. And look around, look at the sea, look at everybody enjoying themselves. We also do snorkeling if you guys want to snorkel as well. Fun, exciting, you name it.
What up, R. Kelly? R. Kelly, we don't joke. We don't vote for R. Kelly. Loose Cannon Tours, guys. We're outside. I got my rum punch ready to go. All right.
No, you can wait. Come on, man. Go around this one. Go on. I stand up right this one. Go around this one. Turn it up again. Turn it up. Sure. Turn it up. Turn it up. All of the birthday people, put your...
Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Hey! Shake it to the max.
All right, see ya. See.
What's up?
It's pretty out. It's pretty out. Step on your phone and stop. Step on your phone. Stop. On your phone. Stop. How much have you? One girl every day.
Hey people, my name is Nigel and this is Paul. Alright. and we are from the Loose Cannon Group. Believe I will tell you, say, the
Dr.
Mondays
Dooley.
vibe is a Sunday cruise just a forward from and believe. See, that's
Alright.
dirty. Ready for the party, baby. Mad! So, if you want to enjoy yourself for the Sunday and I'm not for the Father Loose Cannon, believe.
And that was sad.
I'm out.
Alright. Alright, guys. We're leaving the boat trip. It was so much fun. Alright, guys. I'll be so real. I got wasted on that boat trip. Wasted. I'm even still a bit tipsy now, but I'm going to my grandma's for some Sunday dinner. It's even dark, you can't see me. I was wasted off my head. Wasted. That party was nice. Everyone was nice. The workers, the people, the vibes were high. But I'm on my way to my granny's now to get some Sunday dinner to sober me up. So that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, it was a vibe still. So let's go. Sorry, I didn't do an outro, guys. I'm knackered. I'm probably gonna all sleep at my granny's house too as well. One girl every day. I'm trying to sober up, you know. I'm gone still. Hey. Kenga's fall out in the back. Sing like she fucking Tyler. Kenga's trying to say I'm drunk. Watch out.
On top of me cocky, you feel balance, man. Your pussy fatter, but you cock up your buckles.
Balance!
If you live up, she needs it, fuck me need it too. Your pussy tight, me I wonder if it's an eagle look.
Balance!
Push.
Anyways, these two are getting on to me like, oh, I'm drunk. I was sober enough to put in this cab. Thank you.
You look sober now, but no one knows.
I know the truth. I know the truth, right?
We put a spell in a rock. Not selfie more gun.
Thank you, Gran. See?
I tell Jamaica, put it away there.
Yeah, curry grow, chicken, rice. Yeah. We're still eating, yeah, but Jamaica has boxed up her food, guys. Rate my grandma's cooking, and if you don't give it a 10, you're getting boxed up.
Just for that, I'm gonna give it a 9. Know yourself, I'm joking. It was a good, like, it was 10 out of 10. So nice, like, as you can tell, I enjoyed flavor. They are.
Yeah. This is what we needed to revive ourselves. Obviously, I'm still eating, but it was curry goat, rice and peas, plantain,
that's so good.
salad, brown stew. Yeah. Tell them how good my granny's cooking is, yeah?
10 out of 10. Granny, you're good. Big up every time.
My grandma can cook though. She can actually cook. I'm just knackered. I'm just knackered from that boat party. Honestly, I just want to sleep. But this is sobering me up, so just out here with the families. This is a nice meal. Now we're gonna go for a little walk. Okay. Taking a walk with my granny through Waterhouse again. Huh? And what's the name of this street, Grandma? What's the name of this area? Or?
I see more so,
Oh.
Ashoka Road.
Okay.
But his name Sheldon Fraser. See the sign there, you can put it, video the sign.
Alright, I'll video this time for you guys. This is Shelly and Fraser Price Drive. Renamed, guys. Alright. This is Shelly and Fraser Price Drive. Guys, I've been fed, I've been watered, and I'm in Waterhouse with my granny, walking through the community. Shit, just, you know, taking in the scenes. It's dark now, it's pitch black. But yeah, man, I don't have my flashlight with me, good. But yeah, man, it's a nice trip. I love coming down here. Like, literally, when I come Kingston, guys, I love to spend my time in Waterhouse because that's where my family be at. Sorry. I think it's a written rule, yeah, that in Kingston on a Sunday every bar must be closed, because in my other vlog this bar was open, the bar down there was open, the bar around the corner was open, everywhere was open. It's closed tonight. So written rule, unwritten rule I should say. Yeah, love Cuba. So that's the area in Waterhouse where my family's from. Okay, finished. She's tired. We're taking a late night stroll. Oh, God. Yeah. You can't get in the camera. You're too young. Okay, guys, we're back to the apartment. We're going to the apartment now so that we can go and sleep. KK, you can't get the picture. Hey, I'm in Jamaica. Where are you?
It's true. I have everyone's food. There's me trying to kiss the
Anyways, guys, we're on our way home now. Amelia's afraid of every dog that we come across. Look at her. She made sure she was well away from the dog. Okay, it's a wrap. Mecca. No, we're gonna go to Mecca. Guys, I don't even think my filming of the boat trip yesterday did it justice. When I say we had a time, it was so much fun. As you can see, I was licked off my head. Like, I literally had to go to my granny's to get some food to revive me. I knocked out, and that was me for the whole day done. Thank you. But I'm just doing a quick supermarket run, and then today we're going to be hitting up the river. It's actually my dad's birthday today, so we're having a little family trip down to the river. Kinga loves the river bad, but I prefer the beach or the swimming pool because the rivers are cold, but it should still be nice, you know. So let's go. All right, so we're just in Mega Mart. We got a cake for our dad. They sell like pre-made cakes, and then you can write a message on it for free. So that's what we did. Mission accomplished. Let's go to the river. Okay, so we are on the way to the river. We're gonna go to one that's local, so we're in St. Andrew. It's called Hope River, so let's check it out. Hope it's a nice day. Yeah. This is such a pretty view. After the longest ride known to man, we have made it. We still can't see the river right now. We have to walk up a bit more. But yeah, guys, we are here up in the hills. Yeah. Said I'm on my way. Rough ride, Jim. Huh? Guys, if you also the bloody what do you call that? It's not even a hill. It's a. It's not. It was something on the way back. I'm gonna show you the road we had to drive up. I was so scared. As you can see down there, we got some river action going on. So, yeah. And there's the pool over there. This is convenient. There's a little bar just at the top here. I love the sound of waterfalls. Guys, I can hear the river and I can see the river, and it is a beautiful sight. Oh, can't wait to get in and wash my hair, because after that boat trip yesterday it's really sandy and dirty and I didn't have shampoo. So Hope River is a long stretch of river, and it has different branches, like different, I don't want to call it, it's like streams that break off of the main river. So this is just one of the parts. So I don't exactly know what this river is called, but it falls, you know, it comes from Hope River. But we're just having a little bit of a hike because there's another section that we saw oh sorry, that a lady told us that we can check out because it's a little bit better. So we're just walking up. Good afternoon. Okay, the name of this river is called Prime Time River. So we'll probably just hang out at this one and see. Let's head down and see what's going on. It did have an entry fee on the sign. I'm not gonna lie, there's no one here for us to pay. So let's see how long we can enjoy freeness for. The girls are in. My granddad, my dad, my sister. It's really cold though. They're saying. I haven't been in yet. I'm gonna go in now. Okay, let's go to the river. Okay, I'm in, guys. I can confirm it is flipping cold, but that's what I expected. Really nice though. They've got a little tube. Might go tubing. It's so relaxing down here though, honestly, like really nice vibe. And you've got the kids out here playing as well. Kenya and Kizia is about to wash their hair. Yeah, I'm coming in. I need to wash my hair as well. Okay, hair's washed. That was an experience. An experience. That's a wrap. It's a bit of a steep hill to go down, but I prefer walking down than going up because that was a journey and a half. But it's time to go home, freshen up and see where the evening takes us. So nice day out at the river, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So we're at my grandma's again. We're just gonna have a little dinner for my dad's birthday. She's done some cooking, my cousins have helped her, so yeah, should be a nice little evening setting. And then later tonight we'll be going out to Uptown Mondays, which is a really popular street party that happens on a Monday, of course. So yeah, let's have some family time. The girlies are kindly helping us set up the drinks. Okay guys, this is our little makeshift birthday blessings from my father, who's not here yet, but when he comes we'll get straight to the food. My cousin's over there jerking some chicken. The girls are standing here looking cute, and now we wait. Jim Jam's over there using the flash because it's dark. But yeah, alright, my dad finally arrived, so we're just pouring up a little one for him. There he is. And yeah, let's get to it. Like I mentioned before, all my family live on this compound, like my cousins, my aunts, so they're all going to be joining us shortly to celebrate my daddy's birthday.
What you have for you now?
Oh, splash. I don't have to watch on US.
It's got my
Boop, boop, boop. No care like me. I just have one show love. Where me you come from? My grandma and her firstborn child. My uncles.
Dad.
Yes, sir.
Mom's over here.
Yes, sir.
Family, isn't it? What's everybody?
Right.
Respect, man. Yeah, General, man. Kevin.
Yay. So my cousin's just dishing up the chicken. My grandma's helping to serve. Yeah, man. Family vibes, family vibes. What was it? Good. Say hi, your guys. Say hi to the camera. You did good. Okay, dinner is served. We got jerk chicken, curry chicken, rice.
Curry chicken.
Yeah, everyone's namming up, namming up, namming up, namming life, girls, namming life. Drado. Okay, guys, I'm with my cars. Say hi.
From every side plug I represent for cause one Khadija vlog, no other. Yeah, you hear me? I'm not kill nobody.
He's an artist, guys. He's a big artist. So tell them where they can find you. What's your name?
So just plug up on YouTube. I don't know. KANWHYTE. And never YERZ. One can white and a one plug. Yeah, you hear me?
And that was there.
Yeah.
Cheers, girlie. Listen, even the dogs are invited to the party. Yeah, the dogs are invited.
Put it on, put it on.
Guys, I got photos.
Put it on, we have to take picture.
Can you okay, okay. Still filming, I'm still filming. That's very much. Very romantic.
Yeah, Paramatics. Tell someone to be bad man, get them on a Subscribe. Subscribe to my cousin channel, yeah? From Jamaica to England.
That food, that cake went down. Time to vibes. And then we're gonna head out, get ready to go to Uptown Mondays today. Gran sorting out Gym Jam. If you didn't know, my grandma used to be a hairdresser. Yeah. Okay, Gran with her kitties. Guys, family time is just so important to me, and I'm just so glad I was able to celebrate and like a gathering like this with my family from Jamaica, because I don't get to see them often. Obviously, now that I'm older, I'm gonna try and come out here as often as I can. But yeah, man, it's been a vibe. Time to go home, rest up a little bit, get ready for tonight's party. Bye. Okay, it's time to go to Uptown Mondays. I was gonna change my clothes, but guys, I'm so tired. When I tell you I'm keeping up with the parties back to back, so allow me. But yeah, let's head out there, see what it's saying. You can see the tiredness in my eyes.
I know just how to lie.
Are you enjoying this one, Kenya?
That young oldie off the stage, guys.
There's some artist performing. I don't know who he is, but
What's going on?
there's too much going on right now.
She want all sides of the walls and the road. I wheel like the place up down to the wall and I cross of it. Yeah, yeah.
So the party is done. It finished at 4. I've literally been partying for the past 2 weeks every night, guys. I'm knackered. But you know, I can't leave a party without getting my jerk chicken. So we're just waiting for a little one food. Then I'm going home to my bed to sleep. Kenya, did you enjoy tonight? Yeah, it was calm. It was good. I wouldn't say it's my favourite out of the street parties, but it was still good. The entertainment was there, as always, so I was entertained, you know? But it's time to eat, sleep, and do this again tomorrow. I'm joking. He looks at me like, but yeah. Please.